Welcome to the essential identity shift every successful UGC creator must make, moving from a freelancer to a partner. In the fast-paced world of user-generated content, there are fundamentally two types of creators. There are two types of creators in this market, the ones who wait for instruction. Let's visually contrast the passive creator, or task doer, with the active strategist. This is the mentality that keeps most creators stuck in low-paying, one-off gigs. The freelancer is the one who waits for instructions, seeing the brief as a checklist to be completed. Freelancers complete tasks. They deliver exactly what was asked for, and nothing more, viewing it as a transaction. Now, let's explore the mindset of the partner, the creator who builds long-term income. But creators who succeed are the ones who think. They analyze the brand's problem before they even pick up the camera. Partners don't just complete tasks. Partners solve problems. They look for ways to increase the brand's bottom line. Brands are not looking for a checklist filler. They are looking for someone who can drive results. Brands don't build relationships with people who just do the work. They build relationships with people who help them win, who contribute to their success and growth. This is the single most important mindset shift you need to make to become indispensable. The moment you stop asking, what do I need from this brand? And start asking, what does this brand need from me? Everything changes. Shift your identity from a replaceable freelancer to an irreplaceable partner and strategist. If you want to stop being replaceable, subscribe. Access the full course and blueprint for building your UGC career, link in the description.